Hello and welcome back to Project 380. So things are going to change on the channel for a little while. The Mark II is out of the garage and it's just been dynoed. If you haven't seen the video, where have you been? Go check it out. It's not finished, there's still stuff that's got to be done to it, but minor little things. The other half's Mark I, that's out of the garage. She's enjoying that, but again, a few things have to be done to that. My Mark I is in a desperate need for a rebuild, and I'm in the stage of planning that at this minute, but that's coming off the road very soon. But this means I've got no car in my garage at the minute. So this marks the start of the Back to Basics series. This is going to be an ongoing series of not modifying your MX-5, but maintaining your MX-5 and keeping it on the road. Such things as discs, pads, ball joints, stabiliser links, anti-roll bar bushers, suspension arms, and much more. The first job I've actually got to do is to my other half's Mark I, and that is an alternator replacement. I haven't investigated it fully yet, but yesterday when she was driving to work, the alternator belt left the chat. So we've just decided to replace the alternator and put a new belt on it. So that will be the first video. I've got a fresh set of discs and pads ready for Peppy, my Mark I. But if you guys have anything you want me to film that fits in the criteria of Back to Basics, let me know in the comments down below. So right now I'm in the middle of rearranging my garage. So I've got to get this all cleared so her Mark I can come in here. It's the wrong time of year, but I really do want to redecorate the garage. And I really want to paint the walls. So if you guys have any suggestions for that, let me know down below. Future Sam here to tell you everything that past Sam just told you is now going to be put on hold, as my plans have changed yet again. That segment you just watched was actually filmed 2 months ago, and my plans now are drastically different, and my plans have changed. And you know what they say, one MX-5 is alright, but then you have to get it a friend, and then you end up with a third one. Well, now I've got another one. But this actually ties into another plan I've got, and I've decided to completely redo my office, which is going to take some time. If anyone can guess how those two plans are linked, let me know in the comments down below. But now this is going to have to get out of the way before I carry on with anything else, so stay tuned for that one. So just a little update for this video, but if you haven't seen the dyno video, go check it out now. Let me know any suggestions down below in the comments, and as per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Back to Basics.